Hey guys, yeah, this G water heater here is leaking, so we have to go get a replacement. And I already disassembled the gas line and the hot and cold water up there. So now I have to drain the water out from here. This is very boss over here. Alright, we got a replacement here. They don't have no more GE over there, so we went with the Rheem. It's 7:39:26, and we get back 4:18 for the other one. So the difference that we pay is 321 for this 12-year warranty. Yeah guys, we just opened this here. We just got home. We opened this. Got a dent right down there. Have a big dent up here too. You see it there? Look like someone bought this before and returned it. Over here. That's just like that. I have to bring this back. That sucks. Let's see. There's some dent up here too. Okay, we got another replacement here. Hopefully this one here is okay. It's not damaged. So yeah. Okay, this one is good. No problem with this one. No writing on the box there, nothing. So alright guys, I'm gonna do the connection now. Got Teflon tape on the hot and the cold. So, a union on both of these. Union there, union here. Alright, finish the connection here. I'm gonna do the gas right now. That's it there now. Finish. I have to pull this up and then light it. Clear out. Alright guys, I didn't get to show you how to light this, but I'm going to explain. This right here, it was in the off position. You move it to pilot, turn it, hold it in, you press it in and hold it for like 60 seconds. And then the striker right here, the ignition, keep pressing it like for a minute or so. And then the light is gonna start to flash here. And then you release this, you release it here, and then turn it to hot. And you're gonna hear it kick in. So the ignition, it light up. Now guys, that's it. That's it here. Everything is good. It's not leaking, no gas smell. Thank God we don't have to do no plumbing. Nothing leaking. Everything is dry. So installation time on this here, probably about 10 minutes probably. We don't have to do any plumbing or anything. We just lose the union out and the piece fits right back on this here. So same thing with the gas line. The union loose out here, so everything will fit. And that's it. There's the water going there. Hey, so the boiler here. Another hot water tank here. The dryer there. The washer over here. That's it.